Johnson. I'm in the Jigsaw warehouse. I'm requesting... Where am I?
Hello, Detective Johnson. You've been taking money from people ever since you were 4 years old.
What can I say? I'm a busy man.
So, ever since you took money, leading up to now, you took money from a homeless person. And turns out that homeless person was my grandson. He died of starvation because he had no money.
Well,
Because people like you take stuff whenever you want to. The choice is yours. Get impaled by an extension cord that my grandson had to use to survive. Or you could stay there and people would never find you. The choice is yours. Live or die.
I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh, that hurts. What happened?
Hello, Detective. You are here again because you've always done bad stuff in your life that I've seen before. So, basically, you have to escape this room in under 60 seconds or else the door will lock forever. Now, you flush away people from your life.
The toilet.
And also, the best solution is always the simplest solution. The choice is yours. Live or die. And also, the place will fill with water, which then will electrocute you, which means you have 30 seconds to stop that electrocution. You have about 20 seconds there. The choice is yours. Sometimes the best solution is a simple solution.
Who are you?
Obviously, I'm Jigsaw's son. Hello, Detective. You have the choice to kill me, or you can forgive me for everything you've done. We both walk out of here. The choice is yours.
Dang it!
It's funny, because guess what?
Game over.
Ah!